well, as you can see this time, that was the Ryanair Boeing 737 that just now came over this time anyway. That was a Ryanair, the Boeing 737 that just came over this time anyway, which I believe this is the one that's just took off from just from Faro Airport anyway, which as you can see just from there, that's just took off from Faro Airport anyway. So yeah, so as you can see, that is the Boeing 737-800, that is anyway. As you can see with the registration EI-EBE, that is anyway. And as you can see with the call sign is RYR8SV, that is anyway. Whereas by the looks of it, that's going into Newquay Airport anyway. So yeah, that's possibly going to Newquay Airport anyway. There we go, look. As you can see, the flight number is FR9225, that is anyway. As you can see, that's going from Faro into Newquay Airport anyway. So yeah, and that is the Boeing 737-800 AS, that is. So yeah, by the looks of it, that's now going into, where is it, possibly Newquay Airport anyway. So yeah, that's going directly over to Newquay Airport now anyway. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.